Hello everyone, and welcome to Chef Salim's recipe channel on YouTube. In this video, I'm going to show you an interesting workshop I came across among street foods. Here, waffle sticks and waffle bowls are prepared, freshly made and served immediately. When you crave an affordable, fruity, and chocolatey snack, waffle is definitely one of the best options. Come on, let's explore this delicious stop together. If you also want to start a business like this, first you need to get one of these waffle stick machines. The batter used in making waffles is basically prepared with ingredients like flour, milk, eggs, granulated sugar, vegetable oil, and vanillin. Optionally, a little baking powder can also be added. All the ingredients are whisked thoroughly to achieve a smooth and runny consistency. You pour this batter into the special compartment of the machine. Then you carefully place the sticks and close the lid of the machine. After waiting about 5 minutes, the waffle sticks come out golden, fully cooked, and with a lightly crispy exterior. With this method, it's possible to offer a product that is fast, delicious, and visually very appealing. This snack, which especially attracts the attention of young people and children, is ideal for selling on the street or in a small shop. The waffles coming out of the machine aren't immediately ready to serve. First, the excess batter around them is carefully trimmed. This process is usually done with a small pair of scissors, and the waffles are neatly cut to take on their long, triangular shape. This way, they look more aesthetic and become ready for presentation. As you can see, this is quite a busy production area. The machines work continuously and almost never stop. The demand is so high that as soon as one waffle is done, another is being prepared. Thanks to fast production and fresh serving, this place has become a popular spot for both practicality and taste. Once the waffle is carefully removed from the machine, it is placed into a paper package. Then comes the most fun part. Decoration. A generous amount of white chocolate and milk chocolate is drizzled over the waffle stick. These chocolates slightly melt on the hot waffle, adding a wonderful appearance and flavor. Then a variety of toppings are added according to preference. Sliced fresh strawberries, bananas, colorful candies, crushed hazelnuts, almonds, walnuts, and other crunchy nuts. Cake decorations, shredded coconut, and chocolate chips are also added, turning it into a true feast of flavor. Waffle on a stick, how to make it at home. Ingredients: 2 cups all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons baking powder, optional for fluffier texture, half a teaspoon salt, 2 eggs, 1½ cups milk, 1/4 cup vegetable oil or melted butter, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract or vanillin. Instructions. 1. Prepare the batter. In a large bowl, mix the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. In another bowl, whisk the eggs, milk, vegetable oil, and vanilla extract. Pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients and mix until smooth and lump-free. The batter should be pourable, but not too thin. 2. Heat your waffle maker. If you have a waffle stick maker, preheat it. If not, a regular waffle maker works too. You can insert wooden sticks after cooking. 3. Pour and cook. Lightly grease the waffle plates with oil or cooking spray. Pour the batter into the mold, filling it up about 3/4 of the way. If using a stick waffle maker, insert wooden sticks now. Close the lid and cook for about 4 to 5 minutes or until golden brown and slightly crispy on the outside. 4. Trim and shape, optional. Once cooked, remove the waffles and, if necessary, use scissors to trim off excess batter for a neat shape. 5. Decorate and serve. Now the fun part begins. Drizzle melted milk chocolate, white chocolate, or dark chocolate over the waffle. Add toppings like fresh strawberry or banana slices, colorful candies or sprinkles, crushed nuts, hazelnuts, almonds, walnuts, shredded coconut or mini chocolate chips. Let the toppings slightly melt on the warm waffle, then serve immediately while warm. Tips: if you don't have a waffle stick machine, use a regular waffle iron, cut the waffle into strips, and carefully insert sticks afterward. For extra crispiness, cook a bit longer or let cool slightly before decorating. Great for birthday parties, kids' events, or a fun weekend treat. Enjoy your homemade waffle on a stick. Thanks to this presentation that appeals to both the eyes and the taste buds, even a street snack reaches bakery-level quality. Just when I was about to end the video, the Marash ice cream vendor next door said, "Film me too." And of course, I couldn't say no. Now I'll leave you for a moment with traditional Turkish Marash ice cream. Marash ice cream is a unique type of ice cream native to the city of Kahramanmaraş in Turkey. What sets it apart from other ice creams is that it contains salep and goat's milk. Salep is a natural thickening agent obtained from orchid roots. Thanks to this, the ice cream has a much denser texture and doesn't melt easily. In addition, Marash ice cream is famous not only for its taste, but also for its presentation. Ice cream vendors pull and twirl the ice cream with long metal sticks, turning the serving into an entertaining show by playing small tricks on the customers. Here too, it's served in that very traditional style. You enjoy the dessert while watching a great performance. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next delicious discovery. See you in the next video. Bon appetit!